it's Jasmine with DocuClipper, and right now I'm going to show you how to import an invoice into DocuClipper and export it into an Excel file. So we start by selecting which entity and which project we'd like to do this under. Let's say that this is Jane Doe's invoice. So let's go to Add Documents and select Invoices and Receipts. And this is just a test invoice for lawn maintenance. You might choose whatever keywords are relevant to you, but let's go ahead and parse and convert. All right, conversion is done. And we can see all the fields here. If we look at show all fields, it really will show you everything that can be extracted from even a very simple invoice like this one. And it's up to you how much of this you want to extract into your Excel document. So once we go to download and we go and select where it would say all columns, you can actually create a new export format here. And this will give you a configuration. So this is where you exclude data that, or include data that is or is not useful to you. So, maybe you don't want to have the bill to information. Maybe you don't want the line item. You could add or remove any of these based on what your needs are. As you can see, it kind of starts to decrease the number of fields, of course. Now, personally, I want all of the information to appear in this, so I'm going to get rid of that configuration, and I'm just going to select all columns, and I'm going to download the document. And then when we open it up, we can see that all of the data has been extracted into our Excel doc.